Welcome to Kathmandu, the capital city of Nepal. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you my first impression as African foreigner in Nepal.
Yo, what's up everyone? Hello Nepal, peace from Africa, welcome back everyone. Yeah, so we are in Kathmandu guys. Welcome to Kathmandu City, Nepal guys. Yeah, so today we're gonna explore the Kathmandu city and I'm trying to go to the new road guys. They say there is a new road or a place here, they call it new road. And I'm also so curious because I heard of something like Balen City. I don't know much about this, but it's something also related to the politics stuff, whereby the guy called Shah, he's currently like the elected 15 mayor to the city guys. So this guy, he became so famous here, and he became famous not only for his music, because they said he is a rapper guys. He's a big rapper. But let me show you first the view. This is the view of Kathmandu. That side guys is one of the tallest tower in the city here. They call it Darara guys. That tallest tower, they call it Darara. And I'm seeing some unique things. I just want to show you guys. That one they call it Ser Roti guys. It's looking so unique. Oh, they also have puri. Wow. I wasn't aware that they also have puri here guys, but I can see. It's my first time since I came to Kathmandu. I'm seeing now puri. But mostly here, I also came to know that people don't consume puri that much. Like in Nepal, they have their own popular local breakfast, things like ser roti, and they also consume tea here as a breakfast. Back to the Kathmandu city, those are the cultural things we can see here. Oh, this one I saw it in I saw this one in Bhaktapur guys. Yeah, this is the Bhaktapur and the traditional stuff. This is Darara Kathmandu. Yeah. Just see the beauty guys of Kathmandu. Okay, what I was saying guys, like this place, like this guy, he became famous because he's developing. They said this guy by the name Balen Shah, he become famous first for his music because he's a rapper, and secondly he's helping in the urban development in the city guys. He's helping in development of the Kathmandu city, and that people love him so much guys, because he's doing really good work outside here. So behind me you can see this is the Darara city guys, the Darara tower. Yeah, I just want to go to new road. I want to see the new. Excuse me brother, where is the they said there is Balen City. Where is Balen City?
Yeah,
this is Balen City.
No, this is the Balen City.
And why they call it Balen City?
What?
This is Kathmandu, right?
Oh, yeah.
But why they call it Balen City?
Yeah.
This Balen City.
This
and new road side?
Yeah. New road, yeah.
This going side?
Go inside it.
Inside is new road.
Yeah.
And all the place is Balen
City.
Okay.
That's
thank
the Balen
you.
City.
What any famous market here nearby? This one, right? Okay. So if I go new road, what can I find here in new road? New road. This is new road. This way.
Yeah.
Going this way or this way better?
Better this way.
Better this way, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. So first let me take you to the new road, guys. He said this is the new roadway. Because I'm here, don't know anything. Yeah, I don't know anything, guys. I don't know why they call it new road. Did they construct anything new here or what? Yeah, so let's just get to see the new road of Kathmandu. Excuse me, brother. This is new road. New road.
New road.
New road. That one is new road.
Yes.
And Balen City, where? Where is Balen City? There is place they call Balen City. You don't know? New road this way, huh?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Another guy told me this way, and you are telling me this way. Okay, thank you. This is so complicated, guys. That guy only told me this way, and these two guys they say this way. So at least I will trust 2 over 1. Okay, let me just go this way because I see nothing this side. Yeah. You guys, from the tower there, you can have the view of Kathmandu city. Actually, this is what is so special and unique about.
Hello Madrid.
Hi.
Hello Madrid.
Hello Madrid. Yeah. Kamavinga. Yes. Everyone say that.
Yeah, where are you from?
I'm from Africa, South Sudan.
South Sudan.
Yeah. You are from?
I'm from Nepal.
Okay. So this is new road, right?
This is Kicha Pokhari.
Kicha?
Kicha Pokhari.
Okay.
New road is beside this.
Beside that.
Yeah.
Okay. What is famous in new road?
New road. You have to try lassi.
Lassi.
Yeah. That's the
Okay.
meat of goat
Ah.
and then caradam.
Come this side.
It is very sweety. You have to try it.
Lassi, right?
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
That is
Nice.
found in Indrachuk.
Okay, and brother, there is one doubt. Like, people say this is Balen City. Why is it said like that?
Okay, before here the mayor is one person.
Ah.
He didn't do anything. It's all polluted here and there.
Okay.
But Balen is mainly a rapper.
Yeah, Balencia, that man, right?
No.
His name is?
Balen.
Balen.
And
Oh.
he's a rapper and engineer.
Ah.
And he did rap before.
Ah.
But
He
later
developed.
he became a mayor of Kathmandu.
Okay.
And then he do construction here. He made there is before they are all parking here.
Oh.
So he cancelled here. And this
Okay.
is open road. And
Okay.
you see there he made
Ah.
the footpath bigger.
Okay.
Yeah.
That
They
guy
made-
only.
Yeah, that guy
Wow.
only made this.
That's
road.
why they call
They
it
call
Balen City.
Yeah.
Wow, that's nice.
Yeah.
That's nice. Yeah, because when I was searching in YouTube about Kathmandu, I see Balen City. I used to wonder what is Balen City. I searched in Google, then I found that guy is a rapper.
Yeah.
And now the 15 mayor of Kathmandu.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
I have
really.
to work here. I have to go leave.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Thank you.
good.
Thank you so much.
Welcome to Nepal.
Thank you. Yeah, new road from this way.
Yeah, this
Right.
road. No,
Left or right?
Left, right, both new
Left,
road.
right. Okay.
If you go left, you visit Bosandapur, historic place of Nepal. It is in the World Heritage Site.
Okay. And if I go right?
Right, go,
Market,
you go the
market.
same, you are there road here.
Ah.
This main road. You will reach there.
Okay, thank you, brother. Okay. Yeah. Wow. So welcome to Balen City, guys. They said before this city wasn't like this. Like because of this 15 mayor, Balen, he improved and he developed a lot of the a lot of the stuff here. Like you can see, they used to say this road used to be so much crowded, and I don't know much more he improved here. But anyway, I also searched about him, and I found out that he really impact in the improvement of Kathmandu city more than the previous mayor, guys. So let me just show you and let's enjoy the development of Kathmandu. Yeah, this is Balen City. Welcome to Balen City, guys. Yeah, Kamavinga is here. Hello Madrid, guys. Hello Madrid. Let me take you to the main road, guys. People are having live. So line here, I don't know this line is for what, but it's a long line. It's my first time to be here, guys. So this Kathmandu is really amazing, guys. It's really amazing, and it's totally different, especially from where I came. Like I came from India. I see a lot of difference here, guys. A lot of difference in this city. They said this way, oh, that way it will take you to some heritage site. I think I have to go that way because I see a nice heritage building that side. I have to go there. Here, guys, like it is now around March to April, and the weather is not that cool and it's not that hot, so it's not that bad. Like it's a good time, because if you come in other season, guys, you might not like it, but they say this is the most highly recommended time to visit Nepal, guys. Yeah, so far I have tried a lot of Nepal traditional stuff, guys, and today I just came out here to see the beauty of Nepal. And there is one thing, guys, you have to know, that people here love to eat momo. Yeah, people love to eat momo here. People consume momo here like crazy, and I also try it, guys. I found out that it's so nice to eat momo, and their momo is just something unique and different. It is just different, guys. Yeah, it's nice. That side I see the heritage site. I see heritage site, and here see little bit of stupa. The city is clean, guys. The city is very clean. This is one junction here, guys. We are in the center, guys, of Asan Market. This is very huge market. This is fried, dried buffalo? Yeah. Okay. Like how do you sell it? Is it like pieces or with kg? Kg how much?
1800.
1800. Okay. Guys, there is something similar. I'm seeing it here. Like we African also have the same similarity. Like you see they dry that buffalo. They dry that meat. And this is what we usually do also in Africa. We also dry some fish, and we make it that way because it will stay longer. It will stay longer and it will not spoil. Like mostly in Africa, people who don't have fridge, when they buy more of meat, then they dry it this way. Or when they buy more fish, they dry it and they can eat it for a very long time in a safe way without it getting spoiled, guys. Yeah, and I just found out here in Nepal, people love to consume buffalo, chicken, and pork sometimes. But I see chicken and buffalo is the most consumed out here, guys. So, guys, I'm inside Hanuman Dhoka Durbar Square, guys. So this way will take you to Hanuman temple, guys. Yeah, Hanuman is also one of the famous lord in India, guys. And I watch a lot of Hanuman movie. And whenever I see the Hanuman statue, guys, it is in India. It's usually something made so huge. Like I even don't understand it. Like among all the god and goddess in India, Hanuman statue used to be the huge. They always make it so big. So this is the Hanuman Dhoka Durbar Square. Yeah. Wow, guys, I just love everything here. Like the surrounding, really look good, guys. Look clean. Wow, welcome to Nepal, guys. Welcome to Nepal, Kathmandu City, one of the richest country in cultural and traditional, religious also, guys. This is so rich country, so beautiful, guys. I just love how they preserve their culture and the traditional stuff for the long time. Yeah. Now we are inside the market, guys. We are inside Kathmandu City. Just see the beauty, guys. See the view here. I feel like just to click selfie everywhere, anywhere I go, guys. So beautiful. And now we are in Hanuman Dhoka Square, guys. Yeah, this is the Hanuman Dhoka Square, and everywhere, guys, is just so unique. Every place you go here is so unique, and Kathmandu has a lot of Durbar Square. Like the city are so divided. And every place you go, like the most richest architecture place here in Kathmandu, like most of them, they are not for free, guys. Like for foreigners, you have to buy ticket to go inside. And most of those places is worth visiting, guys. Like so far, I have been to Buddhanath, and I have been to Swayambhu, guys. Swayambhu and Bhaktapur. Those are the places that you must visit, guys. Especially Bhaktapur. Wow, Bhaktapur is so beautiful place, guys, and it's so huge to explore. Yeah, you can't miss visiting that. Go and check my vlog, guys. I've already been inside there, and we are now exploring Kathmandu. Yeah, this is Kathmandu, guys.